Edo State Governor Gov Okpebholo don yarn say belle no sweet am at all as the work for Benin Sapele Road dey go too slow even after government don give contractors money to mobilize. Na sake of this one, the governor don summon the contractors wey dey handle the part of the project wey Edo State government dey fund, say they must explain why the delay dey happen or dem go face serious sanction. Governor Okpebholo drive past the over 20-kilometer stretch of the road, stop for different points and check the quality of drainage, pavement and materials wey dem use for the construction. The inspection shele on Sunday evening, August 17th. The governor still stop for Peanut Junction, Ogege Junction by Akenuwa community, Ogege Road off Sapele Road and Old Road wey past government don abandon after plenty promises to the people for that side. After the inspection, Governor Okpebholo come here and say in government care about Edo people well-being, say that's now why them they push to finish the road quick so it go reduce people wahala and revive economic activities for the area. The governor also questioned the design of the drainage system and come assure Edo people say in administration go review and well to make sure say the drainage go really solve flooding wahala.
It's so good. I've seen what they are doing, solid work, good work. But the problem I have with this level of speed. You see, people are crying on this road and we just have to do something so that we can relieve them from it. Now he's talking about the second segment of the road, which is another 7 kilometers. Apart from the construction of the road, the drainage is also very much important because they stop somewhere. The design, I don't know what kind of design is that somebody have to stop at the middle of town. Where is the water going to? So we are going to look into that also so that we can take the drainage out of town, then take it out of town so that we have a good road. Even when the finish construction, without proper drainage, we will not have a good road. So that is most key for us. People are crying over this road, so what else can we do than to do it? That is why we are out this evening to check and see the level of work done.
My name is Theo. I'm from CBC Global. We are the contractor of the Benin Sapele Road. Theo, now our projects, including this 14 kilometers in town and also 7 kilometers out of town. Right now we're finished almost 1.7 kilometers pavement in town section. And also the stone base, we finished another 3 kilometers in town, so excluding the pavement. And also we're planning to do this another 7 kilometers starting from the bridge till behind. And we have started, so it means we have two groups of people working simultaneously. So I think we could achieve something before the next rainy season.
The road is not too good though. Thank God that government came to see it, and I'm very happy. The road has been giving us tough time. We can't work very well. Anytime we are working, we'll be thinking, thinking of mess so that things will not happen to your vehicle. Like the area now, like new tire that I bought. The yellow bus at Jeep. That was the day they put stone. The yellow bus. But I'm very happy now that the government is doing it now. I hope God should give you the strength, the ability to finish up the work.
The road is so bad, but seeing the governor here this evening means a lot. It means he has heard the cry of the people. I live on Sapele Road, and since I've been on Sapele Road, I've never seen the road like this. This has been the worst ever. But I'm so grateful to see Governor Okpebholo here this evening.
Make una not forget say, as we see, and so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. A Carter or J. TMC News.